And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to Execute Codes. So today in this second video of C programming tutorials, I will show you how to set up or develop a C++. So it's just simple. Just go to your tools tab. Here you will get some options. So you need to go to the compiler options, and then here you will get compiler set to configure and general settings directory programs. So you need to go to settings and then go to the code generations tab. Here you will see so many options. So go to the language standard hashtag std and then go to the drop down list. Here you need to select the ISO C++11 menu. So just click on that. This is not the default, but you need to set, and this is the best programming language standard for beginners also. So just select it and then you are done. So here you will see more tabs. So just go to the first one, which is C options, and just do all the options to know, because we are not going to learn advanced program now. We will learn basic and then go for advanced. Then go to the warnings and also do everything no. So just go to the drop down list and do no, everything no. So no, I will do all the options and set it to no. Then go to profiling and then set this also to no, and go to linker also and set this to no. So we'll be setting everything to no, and output also we will set everything to no. And in code generations you will see that I have some options blank, so just keep it blank for now. And here you will see the compiler with the following options. So you can set up to 64-bit or 32-bit according to your operations, and then click on OK to apply the settings. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.